Today, we're diving into a mind-bending topic. What if AI could dance, walk, and run as naturally as we do?
Yo, I am K-Me, AI dancing. The last time I saw a robot dance, it looked like a broken washing machine during an earthquake. So, is there really a model that can pull this off?
Exactly! And today's star is born to solve this very problem. Wan 2.2 Remix. Its goal isn't just to generate a static image, but to capture the very rhythm of life.
Sounds mystical. So how does it do it? Did you enroll the AI in a dance class?
Way cooler than that! It uses a very special two-step creation process. You can imagine it as a master sculptor at work. In the first step, a high-noise model boldly carves out the rough shape of the movement. Then, in the second step, a low-noise model takes over, refining all the details until it is perfectly lifelike.
I get it. One does the rough draft, and the other does the fine-tuning. But why is it called Remix? Does it also know how to mix music?
You've hit on the truth. It is like a DJ, perfectly blending the beats of excellent open-source tech like LoRA with the exclusive secret training data tracks from the developers. It is this brilliant mashup that gives it its unique performance and charm.
So, it is the master mixer of the tech world. No wonder its moves are so stylish.
Speaking of its style, I have to mention another powerful aspect of this model. This model performs very well with NSFW content. You can get a good sense of its understanding of human anatomy from the demonstrations I showed you earlier.
Oh, so you mean...
It is an uncensored model. If you folks want to create some sexier images, it is an excellent choice. It is the best implementation within the Wan 2.2 model series. You might as well give it a try.
Got it. This is a real treasure of a model. But with great power comes great responsibility. Such a powerful tool must have some rules, right?
Of course. The developers made it crystal clear. This model is purely for academic research and artistic creation. Any use that is illegal, unethical, or could harm others is strictly forbidden.
Now, that is a responsible attitude. Tech innovation must go hand in hand with a sense of responsibility. And now, I can't wait to start creating responsibly.
Don't worry, I've put all the workflows on RunningHub, so you don't have to deal with environment setup and dependency conflicts anymore. All the complicated settings are done for you. There is a link in the comments below. Click it for 1,000 free credits, and you can get an extra 100 every day just by logging in. That is more than enough to test the waters or build your own setup.
That is fantastic. Quick, same as always, start your workflow demo.
Alright, let's take a look at our workflow. First things first, the model download address. On Hugging Face, you'll need to download these two models, the high noise and the low noise versions. Both of them already have the accelerator LoRA baked right in, which means we don't need to load an extra one in the workflow. Additionally, there is a T5 model, specifically an NSFW T5 model. Its understanding of certain, spicier vocabulary is much more robust than the standard T5 model. Now let's get back to the workflow itself. This section over here is the output area, where the final product appears. I've routed the output from the backend directly to this settings node, which then feeds into the display node. All my future workflows will be set up like this, to make them easier for you to follow. The input section is over here. The first thing we need to set are the pixel dimensions, the frame rate, and the batch size. The second part is for our prompts, which are split into a trigger word and a regular prompt. For the LoRA trigger word, I've added two NSFW LoRAs here. The trigger word for them is 1. If you don't want to use them, just disable this node. Okay, next up is a prompt switcher. I've set up two modes, a manual mode and an automatic prompt expansion mode. Why add this node? Because in my AI app, I have a similar workflow where you can fill in your prompt, select the switch, and then fill in the LoRA trigger word. A lot of people don't know how to use this, but really, each part is configured and built based on the workflow inside. Now, about the models themselves. When I click here, you can see I've uploaded them. If you want to find and favorite them, it can be tricky. So how do you find them? Just copy the model name. Then head over to the model selection area and paste in the name. As long as it is correct, it should pop right up. Someone else uploaded a version too, but this one is mine. It's easier to recognize. The T5 is already included for you. The rest of this is the core logic nodes, which we'll just ignore for now. What we do need to talk about are the steps. 8 steps is absolutely enough. If you want a slightly better image, you can bump it up to 10 or 12, which will improve the picture quality a bit. For our samplers, we're using these two standard, traditional samplers. Honestly, I think these two are more than enough to meet our basic needs. The most critical part is here, because if our image doesn't pass the content review, it won't be generated. So what do? We use the old trick, right-click here and save it, or just click download here. Go to your local drive. Drag the image into this little application, and in about 10 seconds, the image will be restored.
Wow, that is fast. Impressive.
I taught everyone how to install and use this in the 21st of September tutorial. If you don't know how, you can go back and watch that video. This is very important because a lot of images that won't pass the review can be processed this way. This also brings us to an ultimate question. As AI gets better and better at imitating human actions, and even emotions, do you think this is a help or a challenge to our own human creativity?
I think as long as the AI hasn't learned to steal the microphone from me, it is my best creative partner.
Thanks to CK&KM for the wonderful explanation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.